Growing your audience on LinkedIn doesn't require hours of work every day. Today, I'm going to talk about a realistic and effective strategies you can implement in 15 minutes per day. That's right, barely enough time to make a cup of coffee, let alone enjoying it. Granted, you can accomplish more with more time. Rome wasn't built in 15 minutes after all. Everyone knows time is money. But what's good is $1 billion if you spend it all on losing scratch-off tickets. What I'm saying is, it's about how you use it. So today we're going to focusing on a strategy that works, takes minimal time, because I know you want to focusing on income generating tasks. So let's get to it. Here's how I recommend you to use your time to grow your LinkedIn audience in only 15 minutes per day. Ever heard of the expression, the squeaky wheels get the grease? It kind of goes for LinkedIn too. Basically, you need to make yourself heard if you want to attract an audience. You might be saying, Salina, well, duh, but you will be surprised how many people think they can magically grow a giant following without posting anything. Seriously. Overall, it's about having something to say and say it regularly. Here's my 15 minutes routine. Step number 1, post content. 5 minutes. The first thing to do is to post some content for your LinkedIn profile. Now, unless you've got access to a time machine, you likely won't be writing a giant manuscript in that time. Hopefully, you've already got some good content in the queue already to be posted. If not, see my bonus pre-step below. For your first 5 minutes, you should be doing the essential steps of making sure your content is ready to go live. Optimize it for the spec on LinkedIn, check grammar, spelling, and preview to ensure everything is good to go. You might be saying, yeah, let me just post already. I don't need to spend another 5 minutes on it. But let me tell you, content written the night before often looks a little bit different in the light of the day. So rereading, optimizing, and editing can really help you to turn a pretty good post into a great post. Step 2, quality engagement with top 5 content creators. 10 minutes only. Now that your content is hot off the press, it's time to network. Liking, commenting, and engaging in conversation on LinkedIn is really a form of networking. It's easy to forget the importance of engagement. So let me give you a quick refresher. It gets you eyeballs. When you engage with other people's content, your LinkedIn profile is going to push to other users' audience network through their LinkedIn newsfeed. Being the top comment on a viral post would drive traffic to your LinkedIn profile and can only be achieved regularly by making a consistent habit of engaging with others on the platform. So, dropping those 5 quality engagement could really mean 5xing your reach for that day. And it's not too hard, and it's totally worth it. I recommend a minimum of 5 engagement, and that means 5 likes, 5 quality comments, and when I say quality, I really mean quality, not nice post or thumbs up emoji. For example, if someone shares an article about new marketing strategy, you can ask, how do you think the strategies apply to B2B companies in the tech industry? That's quality engagement. So quality comments should really point out something specific in the original post that you found interesting, or add to discussion with additional information or relevant opinion, or ask a question. Engaging like this will really help to build your reputation as someone who is contributing positively to an online community. Everyone enjoys quality engagement on other people's posts. Being someone who regularly leaves great comments, quality comments will build the rapport and a loyal following. Hey you? Yes, I'm talking to you. I'm interrupting my own episode for this. Looking to supercharge your business growth rate using LinkedIn? Here are the 3 ways we can help. Number 1, you can get our signature LinkedIn for Business program right down in the description box below. Or, not convinced? Join our free community, a home for entrepreneurs who wants to create follow-worthy personal brand and convert connection into clients using LinkedIn. Or, book a call with me and my team to make LinkedIn work for you and your business. All the links in the description box below, and let us be your biggest LinkedIn cheerleaders. Thank you so very much. And as for now, let's head back to the channel. Ding ding ding! Bonus! DMs, replies, and add and accept connection 10 minutes. Now, you're probably so exhausted about that brutal 15 minutes of mayhem, but if you got another 10 minutes to spare, then it's time to do some housekeeping. Yup, instead of a regular iced coffee, you want a drip coffee? This is your 25 minutes LinkedIn growth strategies right here. Here's a quick checklist. Go through your DMs and keep the conversation going. Nobody likes being left unread. Reply to comments on your content and replies to the comments on other people's content. Don't be a drive-by commenter. Accept and add new connections. Pro tip right here is add 50 to 65 words, personalized invite notes. Expand your circle and track your progress. There are so many tools to help you to keep track of your progress, but it's more important to be analyzing what is really working and what is not. Try our Notion LinkedIn Performance Tracker. Optimize your LinkedIn profile even with the best content and engagement strategies. A poorly optimized profile won't get you anywhere. If you want to learn more, check out our LinkedIn Personal Brand Boss to learn how to precisely fine-tune your LinkedIn profile for growth. Alright, I promise you, advanced strategies. Invite your connection to follow your LinkedIn company page. Each page can actually invite up to 100 of their network to follow their company page every single month. Some page admins, including me, have been upgraded to be able to invite 250 LinkedIn connections to follow each of their LinkedIn page every single month. Here's how. Break it down, you might be a LinkedIn superhuman, but those of us who are just mere mortals probably won't change the world in 15 minutes. A consistent positive habit done every single day, however, can make a huge difference over time. With my formula, I guarantee you'll boost your number of eyeballs on your LinkedIn profile and by extension, land new clients and business opportunities. Summary time. The optimal ratio I find for maximizing my daily activity using LinkedIn is 25% creating content, 25% of engaging in conversation, and 15% of sending or replying to DMs. And the last 15% expanding your network by adding and accepting LinkedIn connection. Here's the cheat sheet to follow, this circle chart right here. Alright, if you love what I'm sharing here today, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to this channel where I'll be providing more insight, techniques, and try and tested strategies to build and grow your LinkedIn. With my LinkedIn Personal Brand Boss program, I'll be teaching you everything you need to know to create a laser-focused LinkedIn profile that will drive you traffic and multiply your revenue. So I invited you to join me, Salina, and the In Academy team where we teach entrepreneurs, coaches, and side hustler how to build a LinkedIn strategies that work for you. I cannot wait to see you next week, same time. Bye for now.